Hello guys, I'm Rizwan and this is my submission for the App Innovation Challenge by Evolve Robotics. Since we all could see a huge spike in online classes and not everybody has a good phone, a good whiteboard or a good phone which we could run a whiteboard application properly, so that's where my application comes in. It's a specially designed application for low screen phones or less powerful phones, and it can be used in any phones. And what's special about this application is that when we usually use a whiteboard application, we usually face an issue of really small screens, like we might be dragging on it, writing on it, but it's just small to write, especially in our mathematical equations. So let's finish talking and jump to the overview. Let's do the quick overview of this application. So as you can see, the application loads with its logo, and now we are on the screen. And it might look a bit overwhelming at first, but it's really easy. As you can see, there are a lot of buttons. So before starting, I want to give a quick overview on what is on the screen. So as you can see, this part is known as the canvas, and this is the place where we add our letters or numbers in this case. And over here is something which I call the keypad, or which we all call, it's not as keypad. And we are going to add the numbers using the keypad, and the keypad is located over here. And as you can see, we could scroll on it and we have a lot of options, a lot of numbers, we have a lot of variables, and we have arithmetic operations. So we are going to be doing with a small equation. So let's do it. So as you can see, we have laid down our equation by typing on this place or the keypad. So to move to the next line, we have this button, which on clicking will move to the next line. So in that case, I can write the next step. That is, again, I'm going to do the same thing over here just to show that we could do something like this. So you could keep doing the equation, and you could keep on going down. You could add things. You could again go up if you want, and you could continue it if you missed something. And as you can see, I don't need these two things. I need to get rid of it, and that's easy. Just click on this button and this opens a load of options. So as you can see, there are three options: the eraser option, the color option, the brush option, and the clear all option. So I'm going to start. So as you can see, there is our eraser option, and we could erase it by just clicking over here, and that's it. You can erase stuffs, and you could keep typing. See, you could just keep typing. Now let's say I want to clear this whole thing. It's not that hard. Just click on the clear all button and everything is gone. Now let's say in instance that I did one equation on this application, but I need to circle an important part. It's not that hard too. Just write a number. In this case, I'm going to write a number, and just click on this button over here, the brush button, and click the color option. So I'm going to choose something like red and just click it one more time, and see, we could mark it. We could mark the important parts. That's it. And again, if I want to clear it, you could do this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like below, and let's see whether we could reach 20 likes.